Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Hassaan's world again. Today I am going to be using the instrument xylophone to do the happy birthday song. Now let's get started. I just want to tell you about the xylophone first. So, some of the keys of the xylophone are long, some of them are short. The longer ones make shorter sounds while the smaller ones make longer sounds. Now let's start. Did you like how I played the xylophone happy birthday song? If you did like it, then please like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, comment and share this with your loved ones and friends. Thank you.